Now see here, this is another part is here, actually this can be taken as an example also. Second law is the real law of motion. This is the explanation. Actually we have to show that the first law and third law both are derived from the Newton's second law of motion. That's why we can say Newton's second law of motion is the real law of motion. First we take here, first law is contained in the second law. You know it. According to Newton's second law of motion, F is equal to m into a. If F is equal to 0, suppose external force is 0, we can write m a is equal to 0. But we know it, m cannot be 0. Therefore, a is equal to 0. It means if F is equal to 0, if external force is 0, net external force is 0 on the body, its acceleration will be equal to 0. It means if there is no external force, body cannot accelerate. Body can have acceleration only if external force is, net external force is non-zero. See here, third law is contained in the second law. So, we are going to explain third law using second law. Consider an isolated system of two bodies A and B. Suppose you have taken two bodies A and B. This is an isolated system. Now they collide for the small time interval delta t. So A will collide with the B. So A will apply force on B and B will apply force on A. So change in momentum we can get. So we can write here, when force acting on A due to B is FAB, that is for delta t time interval. So that is the change in momentum of the body A plus change in the momentum of the body B, that is FBA, this. So this is the total change in the momentum of the both the bodies. Since there is no external force, that is an isolated system, so that should be equal to 0. So now we can write FAB into change, this time interval is equal to minus FBA into this, cancel. So FAB is equal to minus FBA. This is the Newton's third law of motion. So we have derived Newton's third law of motion using second law of motion, because there is no external force we have used.